Hi guys. It's just a quick one, As I promised, I will try this year to shoot as many videos I can. Hopefully once a week, maybe once in 2 weeks. So yeah. Cheers. Like, I don't really know. Feel free to send me any ideas, any challenges you want me to do. Like, I know the Sprite one has been requested. I'll try to do this year. I will. I promise. Sprite is not my favorite thing. Is this my favorite thing? But do you want me to just do Do you just want me? Do you want to watch me just drinking beer? You want to watch me just drinking beer? That's fine by me. But I don't want to get boring, so I can drink beer all the time. Although I have to, I have to slow down a bit. As I get older, it's not good for my overall look. Honestly, I love beer. It's so nice. Not refreshing. Look, guys, I have a whole plate of food. I prepared myself. I'm a chef officially. Just this is steak pieces and potatoes, some cucumber for the refreshment, but I'll just have one piece. It's still warm, but it's not like, it's not like steaming hot. It's been a while since I prepared this, but it's really, really nice. So, anyway, the reason I'm eating from a saucepan is because I don't have any plates at home. I have one, but it's there's something on it. I only have one plate, yeah. You might think at my age I should have had a full cabinet, with stuff. I don't. I have one plate, one spoon, one fork. Yeah. Anyway, you let me know, guys, if you enjoy me drinking be all the time and just burping and do various food mukbangs or whatever challenges. Drink 5 beers, drink 10 beers, drink 2 pints, 3 pints. This, by the way, is 1 pint. This is 1 pint. I already had 2. This is the 3rd, but I'm drinking this on camera. I can do a challenge where, I try to drink as fast as I can. I can do it, yeah. But only if you are interested in. So, look at that. Melts in the mouth. And the thing is, I know this is like food ASMR. Some people love chewing, some people hate it. Let me know on which side you are. For me, nothing bothers me. I love it all. I know some people are more sensitive. So, if you follow me, if you don't like me chewing, just tell me. I'm not falling asleep, but I just feel so good. This steak's nice. Other thing is, my Instagram got taken down for a 3rd time without any warning whatsoever. I don't know what's the deal. Like, I was just posting my TikToks, my YouTube. Well, if drinking beer on Instagram is all of a sudden illegal, excuse me. But I don't know. I don't. It just got taken down as 1.3K followers, but like, I don't know. It's not that big of a deal. I didn't even post that much. But now I made a new Instagram, 60 followers. So if you follow me, please follow my new Instagram so you don't lose me one day. I have to be sensitive about these topics. But I see others just post pics in a bikini, videos in a bikini, and they're fine. Because they're like, I don't know. So even with this YouTube, I know they're like hungry fat chick. She eats on camera. She doesn't drink obviously, but like I do. I kind of like her style. His bad lunch chugs. He just chugs all the cokes and all the fizzy drinks. And I was just thinking, why I can't just chug beer? But I never watch it. What if I chug beer and burp all the time? Every fucking week. Oh, again, I can't even swear on this. But since I have an accent, YouTube bots might not understand me, maybe, hopefully. We're almost done with this, yeah. It was lovely fucking food. And chips. I'll have them. I made them from scratch. Raw potatoes, fried in butter, some salt. And then the steak. It's supposed to be medium rare, but it looks like almost well done. But still good. Let's go. Okay, come on. Just for hydration. And you know, you know. Ah, yes. Hopefully, see you in a week.